Another beautiful day here in Rio Grande. I'm actually gonna go check out an apartment in TOA, BAJA. So let's see how that turns out. Running ahead of schedule, and right now I'm in an Uber, and hopefully in the next few minutes we'll be able to see the place that we picked out, find out if it'll work. Now you know you're in paradise. They start using colors like this. I'm gonna check out another place. That first one was pretty nice, okay. It's just the color of the building might have been a little off, but that's all right. Here we go. Drop the beer. Check it out in 4K, baby. LUQUILLO Beach proper. This is just the way it is over here. You see a lot of the beach erosion. What has happened, literally, is in 20 years since I've been here, the beach has eroded a good 100 yards. It used to be way out there, and now it's so much closer as a result of beach erosion, cost of maintenance, to be able to have a beach without the beach.
Early stages of heat stroke. Drop the beer.